First one liquid, second one softener, third one pre-wash. Other model pre-wash means extra wash unit.
Okay.
This model pre-wash option not there, just for empty.
Okay. So one liquid, one softener.
Soft,
Okay.
Before added, you can put.
Okay. Before
Start.
start.
At a time. First option cottons.
Hmm.
Pure cotton class, just load. This option select, then start. The extra functions. First one temperature. Is 5 kg showing. 1 hour. You need full 8 kg. This bottom press, speed perfect. 3 hours taken. Is 8 kg.
What is that 3 hour?
The time washing period time, sir.
For 8, it will take 3 hours.
3 hours. 8 kg.
Okay.
Need 1 hour, 5 kg.
Okay. So 1 hour time it will take, huh? Okay. And how much water it will take in that case?
Sir, same water.
Same water, but okay.
Full wash cycle, one wash, 30 to 40 liter consume.
Okay.
2 buckets.
Hmm.
And this temperature, inside heat come default convert hot water. Okay, you need extra. Now 40 is there. You need extra, you set also manually.
So what is the default?
Default 40 degree.
40.
Depend functions. Some functions 30 degree normal water taken, 60 taken. Different function.
Temperature means water for to heat up water.
Yes,
Okay.
hot water. And second one spin speed 1400 is there. Advantage is 80% dry. Disadvantage buttons, zips, brake also come. Okay, that's the one thing. Because 80% dry 1400. Disadvantage buttons, zips, brake also come.
Okay.
That's why use regular 1000 or 800 is better.
1000 or 800. Okay.
Okay. And anti wrinkles for wrinkle avoiding purpose. This option select, it will take default 800 RPM. So slowly drying.
Okay. 8 hour.
800.
800 by default. Okay. We can increase also, huh?
Again press, it will go automatically 1400 taken.
Okay.
And anti tangle. Tangle means dupatta, saree, it will tangle. Ladies for avoiding purpose.
Okay. So you said default everyone now, huh?
No default not there, sir. This additional function. Do you need select separately?
Okay.
And soaking option. You need soak, too much dirt is there. 20 minutes soak taken before wash.
Okay.
Set. And start and pause button.
Okay. So every time I start, then everything reset, huh? I have to set again.
Yes.
Like you have touched something you did, then when I start, it will be same, or I have to reset. I have to set again.
Set again.
Every time I have to set. Okay.
And second one, cotton 60 label. This option default 60 degree auto taken. Manually cannot change.
Okay.
Synthetic polyester nylon class, mixed load, daily usage, regular. Okay, 4 kg.
Oh.
And delicate class, woolen class, drum descale. Separate descaling liquid is there for cleaning purpose.
Okay.
That powder, liquid.
That I know because previous washing machine also we have.
Put directly also, here also. Okay, monthly one time though. And here he is saying too much hard water. Put the hard water filter.
Okay.
And rinse and spin, two options extra option.
Okay.
And sportswear class, jean class, only shade. See, only shade is taken 800 RPM.
Oh.
And fresh up means go to
What is that?
800 RPM.
RPM, 800 RPM. Okay.
This fresh up means lightweight use.
Okay.
Go to evening time snacks, panipuri go to temple supermarket, that type much you can use.
Okay.
Lightweight, just sweat. This one steam antibacterial, hospital wears and ladies personal wears, kids wear, inner wear class. In between steam option is there, steam taken.
Okay.
And quick wash, two option is there, 15 and 30. 50 means 2 kg, you need 30 means speed perfect action select, it will go 4 kg, 30 minutes.
Okay. But when I set this one, this is not required, right? It automatically set these things. If I suppose I am setting like this, then it automatically set. I set like this and also start, right?
Yes.
Separate if I do, I can do. Else
This separate, speed perfect, anti-tangle, these 4 options separate.
Separate, okay.
You need,
but this all option have their own this option, right?
No, this one only taken temperature, sir.
Oh.
This one also manually change.
Okay.
This only temperature.
Okay. So suppose I am washing jeans also. So this one. So if I am washing jeans, I do like this and I start. But if I want something in this, then I have to set.
Yes.
Okay, but that is all default. Means it is extra required. If I
Extra
require.
functions.
Okay, fine.
And after every wash, open the door on half an hour.
Okay.
For steam removing purpose.
Hmm.
And take cloth, just wipe it inside.
Okay.
Okay. For rubber cleaning purpose. In case.
Every wash I have to clean that rubber.
Yes, is better.
Okay. What is this?
These are drainage jobs.
Okay.
In case mixing coins, buttons, pin zips, everything collect here.
Oh.
A cloth lintel. Just open, fixing every week.
It is broken or what?
No, not broken, sir. This lock.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Just open. Water will come 1 liter. Then remove the water, sir, every time. Weekly one time open.
Still water is there.
So before packing, checking, sir.
That way only I have to open. No cleaning, only open and then
In
water.
case anything missing,
Huh.
inside collect it.
Then, but after every wash I have to open it
No,
because
weekly one time open.
weekly one time open.
And drum cleaning time, open.
Okay.
So, anything inside?
Suppose I am washing and then I have to put some more cloth.
Oh.
So it is allowed or not?
Oh, it's allowed, sir. See, now start.
Hmm.
Door is locked. This door indication. Okay.
Hmm.
Water is taking. Now water is taking. Na? Again, same button press, pause.
Hmm.
This sound, door lock sound. Now is open and head.
Oh, and
Before 5 minutes, sir.
Hmm.
After that, water loading. Na?
Water come out. Okay.
That's why not open.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Okay. Still on, huh?
For checking purpose.
Okay. Then how to you have to off it, huh?
One cycle runs, sir.
Oh, one cycle run, huh? For 15 minutes, huh?
Yes.
Okay. And then automatically off, or I have to off again.
No, automatically off.
Okay, fine.